Hello everyone, welcome to our new tutorial about Notion AI. So one of the best AI tools for project management. If you're interested in harnessing the power of this tool or software, just go down below to the description or the pinned comment where I left a link to try the platform totally for free trial. Today we're diving, as I said, into Notion AI, which is an amazing tool that transforms the way we handle project management. Notion AI combines the organizational powerness of Notion with advanced AI capabilities, so making it an incredible, powerful tool for managing all kind of projects. So first of all, to sign up to an account in Notion AI is very easy. Just go and click right here on Get Notion for free. You just have to sign up using your Google account. It will create an account for you. Now here, as you can see, we have our dashboard right here. So we have the menu right here of features. Now this is very simple. The interface is very user friendly. Here, the great thing about Notion AI is that you can create as much as you want or even a limited, pages right here. So you can make them customizable for any project that you want. Let's go, for example, and click on class notes. So let's imagine that you're having a project for school with your teammates. So what we're gonna do is simply go here and we wanna take notes. So this is a template for you to take notes. We can use actually the same template and make it for an enterprise or any other project, not necessary for class. So you just go, for example, here and edit the name. Let's say, for example, project note right here. So you can add the note. We have the name, the class, the type. So your teammates can be able also to add their notes, but to add someone to your teammate or to create actually a team space, you just have to go right here and click on team space. You click on add a new space and you go right here, give it a name. I'm gonna, for example, name is marketing team. And here you'll have to provide a description. So let's say just marketing and click on create team space. After that, from here, what we're gonna do is very easy. We're gonna go and invite people. So let me invite someone, for example. I'm gonna add a provide, email address. I'm gonna add this person from here. Click on here and just click on enter. So this person is already on my team. I'm gonna add someone else. I can add, for example, this person. So I'm adding anyone I want to add to my team space that they can work in my projects. You click on invite, they will receive an email. So when they accept their email, mail inbox, they will be able to join your team space at home. So they will be able to make changes in your, profile here. Now here, if we want to see the template that Notion AI provide, we click on template right here. As you can see, there are great templates. We have for to-do lists, projects and tasks right here. We have projects and tasks and sprints. We have meetings, documents, wiki, and for the projects, we have project spec, we have projects wiki, etc. There are a lot of features. We have for marketing, we have for sales, for engineering, for design, for anything, finance and startup, etc. So from here, you just click on get the template, for example, and you'll be able to use the template. Now here, to use the template, you have to provide the team that you want to apply the template to. Now here I have two teams. So if I click on this team that I just created, I'm just gonna click on here and apply the template for it. And just like that, here is the template. Now I can create new stuff. For example, I can create a task from here. Just click on add a task and it will be added. Don't forget to go to the description or the pinned comment to try the platform with the link that I provided. It is totally for free.